Hi everyone, my name is Smita. I am from Pinky Mind. We are an online therapy and counseling app. In this series of videos, we are discussing relationships. Today, we are going to handle conflicts in a relationship. Having disagreements does not mean you have a bad relationship. If you are capable of discussing and getting the dialogue going, that means you are going in the right direction. Many a times when we are hurt and when we realize that we have given somebody else the power to hurt us, to make us vulnerable, we feel weak, we may also feel unsafe. So there might be some defensiveness coming up. So when in a conflict, try to know what is making you fight. Are you fighting to win? Are you fighting to prove your partner wrong? Are you fighting to prove your superiority? See, this analysis actually will give you an indication about whether you're focused on, fighting and winning or defending, or are you focused on solving the problem itself? This will give you a chance to actually understand yourself better. Conflicts also give you a chance to understand your partner better in terms of getting to know their perceptions better. If both the partners are clear that they want to work towards a healthy relationship, then conflicts become opportunities to know your partner. You will be therefore able to work through these problems via communicating and understanding. There are some steps that you could take when in a fight. So step 1, step away and calm down. When you're agitated, angry, the things you say may not be the things you want to say, or you may not even mean them. So it's not about you being right or wrong. It's not about that. It's just that you want to manage this better, and therefore step away and calm down. 2, discuss the matter again when both the partners are calm and when both of you are willing to give each other the time to speak and listen. You have to stick to one issue at a time. Bringing the past, multiple issues make the conflict resolution complex. 3, blame is not going to help a conflict. Using words like always, never, make things worse. Making any sort of contemptuous remarks on your partner, any sort of name calling, sarcasm will only make things worse and never better. 4, say sorry when you hurt each other. I know it is tough to say sorry, but please try. Let me leave you with note for today. Conflicts are an integral part of any relationship. Conflicts are a window to learn about our partners, to grow in that particular relationship. We should understand that there are no two people who may want the same thing all the time. So small compromises are necessary part of a good relationship. The trick is to find commonalities rather than differences. Please write to me. My email ID is smita@pinkymind.com. Take care.